is Allie, and I am an intern at the Greenwich Library. I work with Miss Stephanie, and I've really been learning a lot, and I hope that today I can teach you something. Today I thought it would be fun to do a science experiment, and we're going to need vinegar, an egg, and a clear glass. So what's going to happen is you place the egg carefully in the glass, and you're going to pour some vinegar so that it completely covers the egg. Now, something really cool is going to happen with this egg, but the magic doesn't happen right away. You have to wait a whole day. So you really are going to test your patience here. But if you look, it already is starting to bubble. So it's been a whole day since I last looked at the egg, and as you can tell, there's been a chemical reaction between the egg and the vinegar, which is why it's so bubbly and foamy. This chemical reaction has caused the shell of the egg to become soft instead of hard. And so this is going to have a different impact on the egg, and it's going to do some really cool things. So I just took the egg out of the vinegar, and as you can tell, it's very bouncy. And it's very similar as a bounce ball because you can bounce it on a flat surface. But the egg still is fragile, so let me show you what happens if you bounce it from too high. So that's all I have for you today, but I hope that you enjoyed our experiment.